job! Oh no! Yummy!
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Aha!
Look at this. It is an angelfish.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job!
Look at this. It is a catfish.
Bye-bye! Yes!
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
The children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Oh no.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till there it appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Mary had
Aha!
Look at this. Is this a turtle?
Yes.
Bye bye. Okay.
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Good job.
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy. Huh?
Look at this. Is this an angelfish? Look at this. Is this a yellow fish?
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Look at this. Is this a pearl gourami fish? Look at this. Is this a catfish?
Huh?
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Good job.
Oh no.
Look at this. Is this an angelfish?
Wee.
Look at this. Is this a lobster?
Yippee!